Welcome to our exploration of the fascinating world of maize farming, where the quest for a profitable and sustainable crop meets the challenges of modern agriculture. Join us as we delve into the secrets of maize cultivation and the tips for maximizing profits. Maize farming is a significant contributor to global food security, providing at least 30% of the food calories to over 4.5 billion people in 94 developing countries. It is also a key ingredient in animal feed and industrial products, including biofuels. Before starting a maize farm, it's essential to perform soil and water testing to ensure the best possible growth conditions. This will help you determine the pH levels, nutrient content, and potential contaminants in your soil and water. Proper land preparation is crucial for a successful maize farm. This involves selecting the right land with a light, loamy, or sloppy soil that is not waterlogged, and preparing the seedbed to ensure no restriction on root development. Choose high-yielding and disease-tolerant maize varieties for your farm. Some popular varieties include dent corn and flint corn. Adopt crop rotation to reduce disease and pest pressure. Same family crops should not be continuously cultivated every year in the same plot, and rotation should be adopted every 3 years. Implement effective pest and disease management strategies, such as using appropriate insecticides, fungicides, and cultural practices like crop rotation. Proper fertilizer management is essential for maize farming. Apply the right amount of fertilizer based on soil testing and crop needs. Control weeds effectively to prevent competition for nutrients, water, and sunlight. Maize cultivators can be used to uproot or bury weeds, maintaining a weed-free environment. Harvest maize in sunny and dry conditions to prevent ear rot. Store maize properly to maintain quality and prevent contamination. Understand your target market, pricing strategies, and distribution channels to sell your maize effectively. Monitor maize prices to optimize sales. To maximize profits in maize farming, consider factors such as weather requirements, propagation health of seeds, pest and disease management, post-harvest management, and good agricultural practices. As you embark on your journey into the world of maize farming, embrace the challenges and rewards of cultivating this essential crop. With the right knowledge, tools, and dedication, you can create a thriving and profitable farm that contributes to the growth of your local community and the environment. Join us again as we continue to uncover the marvels of agriculture here on Discover Agriculture. Until next time, happy farming!